What's up, guys, and welcome back to Homes with Shields. So in today's walkthrough, we're going to tour this absolutely beautiful Heartland 1 XL. We've got quartz countertops, tall ceilings, a beautiful front porch. This video has it all, guys. So as always, sit back and enjoy the show. Thanks.
All right, so let's get into this thing. So this morning I'm over here in Person County, North Carolina, out here in the rain for you guys. And like I said there on the intro, I'm going to be taking you through a 3-bed, 2-bath version of our Heartland 1 XL plan, okay? The Heartland 1 XL is 32 feet deep, 56 feet across. It consists of 1,772 total square feet. There are variations of it that include 4 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms and an office or a den, but this is just the good old OG 3-bed, 2-bath with a large side-loading utility room over here off the side, which we'll get into when we get inside. And as far as this exterior goes, you know, number one, the most important thing to know that this plan does consist of an optional / site-built front porch, all right? So you don't have to add this. You could do something bigger, smaller, a different style, but this is a 6x20 gable style front porch, all right? I love the black aluminum pickets that they added to this porch. They even added that row of shingles there, which I call the eave return, okay? So those are things or options about this porch that I'll kind of walk you back through. As you can see, there is no foundation under the porch. They also stuck with our included split face textured block for the foundation material. And then last but not least, as you can see, they did go with the white vinyl, vertical vinyl siding, okay? I believe they actually ran it on all, no, they actually went with the horizontal on the sides and back. So I've talked about this before, but the horizontal is included, the vertical costs more. So if we can get away with just vertical on the front, put horizontal on the sides and back, that is going to save you money. And then one more thing I wanted to hit on is the black windows. Very, very popular. They are an upgrade when comparing it to your traditional white windows. But man, they really set that exterior off, don't they? They look really good with the white siding. They also went with the black gutters and downspouts to kind of match those black windows. Absolutely beautiful. So let's get in here and take a look. And here's one more shot of that front porch. Again, this is a 6x20 gable style front porch. You've seen gable porches with the vaulted ceiling. You've seen us prep for ceiling fans, insert can lights, all that stuff. Those are all things that we can do, so definitely keep that in mind, and I'll do my best to remind you of all those options as we go. Wow. So my first initial thoughts is, man, you can really feel that XL. So when comparing this Heartland 1 XL to the original Heartland 1, you pick up 4 feet in depth. So, I mean, right off the bat, you can really feel it in this very large living room. Double window, multiple can lights, all that good stuff. Craftsman style front door with some glass up there. And then that living room opens up into this beautiful open concept. You got your dining area to the right, kitchen to the left. A few things about the kitchen. So number one, when looking at the Heartland kitchens, this is the included kitchen layout. This is not the alternate kitchen layout. So when you're looking at those, definitely keep that in mind on what you want to do there. You are seeing the included white cabinetry today. Now, one thing this customer did add is the black hardware. So you'll notice the knobs, the hardware, the hinges, the shower heads, all that stuff are black. This customer went with the beautiful sparkly white quartz countertops throughout, even in the bathrooms in today's video. Big island there. Got a double pot and pan drawer right there. Got a nice spot to pull up some bar stools. Perfect. Let's see, as far as upgrades that I'm seeing, this customer did add the taller 9-foot ceilings. So 8-foot ceilings is where this particular plan and almost all plans are going to start. If you want to option in the 9 foot, have at it. Now off of this dining, standard is just a window. As you can see, this customer optioned in a door. It could be a single door, a double French door, a sliding glass door. You name it, we offer it. They also added a full ceramic backsplash. I wanted to point out, whenever you add this ceramic backsplash, we typically undermount all your switches and outlets. And as you can see, this customer did add the under cabinet lighting as well. Beautiful farmhouse style apron sink there. It does come with all these gadgets, chopping board, dryer thing there, all that stuff. Very cool. Now in this area, you'll notice they added the pot filler. This is one of the 2 included range hoods. There's one with more of a glass style, and then there's the full stainless steel style like you're seeing there. And then right off to the left here, so right off the kitchen, there's those black lever handles that I was kind of mentioned earlier. Right off the kitchen is that very, very large walk-in pantry. Just look at that. So I'm going to call this an appliance shelf. This is a very affordable option that if you're going to stay with a range hood out there in the kitchen, but want a good spot for your microwave, there you go. You've seen it in a number of my videos at this point. And then back here is your access to the water heater, a 50-gallon tank here. You've seen tankless hot water heaters. We can do a low boy and put it under the house. Again, you name it, we can offer it. Absolutely beautiful. Just a really good space here. Again, this is the Heartland 1XL at 1,772 square feet. To my left is going to be the 2 spare bedrooms, a full bath, and the utility room down there on the end. And to my left, if you're coming in the front door, is the master suite, okay? Let me pan around to this kitchen one more time. All right, so let's go to the right and knock out the spare bedroom side real quick. So as you go down this hallway, on the left is going to be that full bath. Again, quartz countertops throughout. You'll see the black faucets, the black hardware, black shower heads, all that stuff is included in that black hardware package. Tons of cabinetry here, pull-out drawers, all soft close, full extension. You'll never have to worry about that stuff with us. To the right is going to be bedroom 2. And then following that is going to be bedroom 3. They're very similar in size. I won't spend a ton of time in here. Even the spare bedrooms come wired and braced for ceiling fans, which is nice. And I talk about this in a lot of my videos, but when you're talking about the Nationwide or CAVCO Martinsville product, you know, carpet is going to be included in the bedrooms, but that's it. The real vinyl plank flooring is included in the main spaces and the wet rooms, so your bathrooms, your utility rooms, all that. So basically where I'm getting at is if you don't want any carpet and you want that real plank flooring throughout the entire house, you're just paying for the bedrooms. And sometimes the secondary dens if a plan features that. These are our 2-inch blinds that we offer. They're about $1,000 to put them in every window in the house. Very good deal. A lot of people add those. You've seen a ton of them. Here's that bedroom 3. And then your utility room. So here is a exterior door off the side. I showed it to you when I was giving the exterior tour. So just a really, really good size space here. So that is an optional window. A lot of times when you put a door in the dining, we'll take the window that was supposed to be there and put it in here at no extra cost. Washer and dryer hookup area, organizational system there. Just tons of space for freezers. Maybe if you want to put in the dog shower, a utility room sink, hall tree, all that kind of stuff. All right, so let's go across that main space. Real quick, I wanted to show you any hallway longer than 6 feet, we are going to include these face plates with built-in night lights. Just a really cool feature that we're offering or including now. So yeah, let me backtrack just a little bit. This particular home was produced by CAVCO Martinsville, formerly known as Nationwide. They're out of Martinsville, Virginia. We, Carolina Custom Homes, are your builder though. So we get the modules from Nationwide and we do everything else, the footing, the foundation, the well, the septic, the porches, all that stuff, flooring, trade work, plumbing, electrical. So we have a sales center set up in Burlington at 2450 North Church Street. You come in, you meet with me, you tour our models, we design your home, and you go from there. So I know I sound like a broken record, but again, I mean, when you pick up this extra square footage, this is a really big bedroom. It really is. And then right off that entrance door is your closet door. Notice the premium upgraded wood shelving in today's video. I get a lot of questions about the wire shelving and stuff. There's your example of the real wood shelving in this very nice walk-in closet. And then to the left is that master bath. I have ran through so many of these Heartland bathroom layouts with you. This is the 4x6, so Nationwide's medium shower. They did not elect, so when you do the 4x6 shower, you have the option to frame up a door right here to create a true water closet. As you can see, they did not do that. But you still have this wall for privacy, so that's something you can think about. Beautiful 4x6 shower to include the ceramic tile, the handheld, the rain head up top, soap boxes, transom windows, flip down seats, additional wall heads, rain heads, can lights, all that stuff would be extra. But that is just a killer shower. And then to the left of that, look at all those, look at all that cabinetry. I mean, drawers, linen cabinets, again, the quartz countertops throughout. Look at that. Hard to beat. All right, guys, that's it for today. We toured a custom Heartland 1XL. I'm going to drop my email down at the bottom right now. If you've got any questions, get with me with that email address, shields@nccustommodulars.com. Just want to take a second to thank you guys for all the subscriptions, new videos every Monday and Thursday. I really enjoyed doing this, and I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. Thank you guys. Take care.